morning, my dear students. Welcome back to our nursery class. So, how are you all? कैसे हैं आप सब? All good? Very good. I am also fine. So, let's start with our class now and let's check our circle schedule. Yes, so everyone call our circle schedule. Circle schedule. So, here we have our circle schedule. So, circle schedule will tell us about our date, day and what we are going to do. Yes, आज हम क्या करने वाले हैं? So, let's check. So, let's see what date is today. Everyone, sing with ma'am. What date is today? What date is today? What date is today? So, let's see. What number is this? Look at carefully. 6. Today date is 6. 6 July 2021. Very good. Now paste on our board. Okay, on top. Now we will check our day. Yes, that was day is today. So everyone, what day is today? What day is today? What day is today? Today is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. Okay, and what we are going to do? We are going to do. Okay, here we have 2 chips for you. First of all, we are going to do subject English. Yes, we are going to do subject English, and English we are going to do letter. Yes, you are right. Letter. Letter, which letter? In yesterday's class we have done letter I. Yes, so in today's class also we will finish our letter I. We will discuss about our letter. Which letter is this? Read this letter. Which letter is this? Letter I. Letter I. I sounds E. I sounds E. I sounds E. Repeat with ma'am. I sounds E. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. I for ink pot. I for ink pot. I for igloo. I for igloo. Yes. And there are also some other words. I for eat. I for eat. I for Independence Day. Yes, Independence Day is also coming. Okay, so now you have to take out your notebooks, and in our previous class we have done these worksheets. So look at carefully once again. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. I for igloo. I for igloo. Yes, and what we have done? We paste these strips so that we know how the letter I forms. So, how we write letter I? Standing line, go up, sleeping line. Very good. And we have also traced this one. Now, in today's class, we are going to do this worksheet. Yes, in this worksheet, with the help of dots, we will write the letter I. Okay, so everyone, come with your notebooks. Let's come with ma'am. So students, now look at this worksheet very carefully. You can see that there are different dots here. Okay, so first of all, I will tell you again कि हमें हमेशा 1, 2, 3 लाइन्स का यूज़ करना है. हमें ये रेड लाइन को लास्ट वाले को टच नहीं करना है. ओके, सो हियर यू कैन सी दैट देयर आर दीज डॉट्स. सो फर्स्ट फॉर आई हम क्या करते हैं सबसे पहले? विच लाइन वी विल मेक? वी विल मेक स्टैंडिंग लाइन, स्टॉप, go up, sleeping line, go down, sleeping line, letter I. Again make it Make letter I. Standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. Standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line. I for igloo. Standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line. I for ice cream. Standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line. I for insect. Standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line. I for Eid. Yes, Eid festival होता है ना. Standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line. Letter I. Standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line. Letter I. Letter I. Letter I. Letter I. Last line. Standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line. Letter I. I for ink pot. Standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line. Standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line. I for igloo. So students, you have to practice this worksheet at home and send your homework to ma'am. Children, take care and bye-bye.